warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi. Nama saya Sufa. Saya mahasiswa program studi bahasa Inggris PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2021 angkatan 1 Universitas Kristen Satya Wacana Salatiga. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
And how are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Okay, class. Before starting our meeting today, let's pray. And maybe one of you, Saki, can you lead your class, please?
Yes, Miss. Attention, please. Let's pray together.
Finish.
Now, before opening our meeting today, I want to check your attendance list. Okay, Andini, are you okay?
Yes, Miss. I'm okay.
Amin. Miftahul Amin, are you fine?
Yes, Miss.
And now, before continuing our meeting today, I want to show you the video. Okay, now look at the video, watching the video.
He was born in a small farming village in Japan. His family was poor. They all lived in a small house with very little money. When he was only 9 years old, he left school and started working in a small shop. To support his family, he used to get up every day before sunrise, clean the store, run errands, and then look after the children of his employer. Some years later, destiny showed him a new path. He got a job in an electricity company. There, he got interested in light bulbs and sockets. Every night, he started learning and experimenting on his own. One day, he made an improved version of a light socket all by himself. He got very excited and showed it to his boss. But his boss was not impressed. And that such a product will never work. Even though he was rejected, he believed in his idea. He wanted to do something on his own, start his own company. He asked his friends. They told him he cannot do it. He cannot leave his permanent job and start his own company. He has no experience, very little money.
The video, it's inspiring and motivational for us that to get something, it's not easy. Yeah? Okay, now I want to show you what's our learning purpose today. Ya, tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini dari keterampilan dan pengetahuannya. Ya, dari KI pengetahuan diperlihatkan sebuah video ya, tentang pengalaman seseorang dan peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi fungsi atau tujuan, struktur teks, dan language feature ya, pada recount teks yang baik dan benar. Kemudian nanti akan diperlihatkan sebuah picture, sebuah gambar tentang pengalaman seseorang di masa lalu. Kemudian diharapkan peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi tujuan, struktur teks, language feature pada teks tersebut. Pada keterampilan, bagian keterampilan, setelah mempelajari teks recount, dapat memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan. Maka peserta didik mampu membuat atau menyusun kalimat yang menceritakan tentang pengalaman pribadi di masa lalu. Kemudian setelah mempelajari teks recount dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan, peserta didik mampu menceritakan pengalaman pribadinya dengan baik serta penuh percaya diri dan santun. Nah, itu tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini. Ya, it's tell about past experience. Now, look at the picture, please. Ya. Silakan perhatikan gambarnya. Okay. Anybody know? What picture is it? Ya, gambar apa ini?
Mendaki gunung.
Mendaki gunung. What is it in English? Mendaki gunung. In English? Dalam bahasa Inggrisnya?
Hiking.
Okay. Climbing the mountain. And what did the people do on the picture?
Hiking. Hiking the mountain.
Hiking or climbing. And what information can you get from the picture? What information?
Apa ya? Apa yang mau kita capai tanpa ada usaha kuat tidak akan tercapai mungkin.
Okay, yes, that's right. The information we can get from the picture is about someone's activity. Yeah? Okay,
Ya,
please.
Bu.
Okay, Novel, yeah. Please read the text.
Three days ago, I went to Mount Sibayak with my friends. This was the first time I climbed a mountain, and I did it with them. Before leaving, I began packing all the equipment needed, such as eating and drinking equipment, mountain sandals or shells, medicines, flashlight, and spare batteries. sharing bags and more. We started climbing at 4 a.m. At that time, the day was getting dark and visibility was getting narrower. We set a flashlight.
Ketika melihat pemandangan, kelelahan dan kecapean pun hilang. Yes, so I hope you can understand the whole story of the text. Ya, okay, next. So, what text we have learned today? Jadi teksnya tentang apa ini? Hari ini yang kita bahas. Ya?
Pengalaman
Ya?
seseorang.
Oke, pengalaman seseorang ya. It called recount text ya. Ini yang disebut recount text. Climb the mountain, it's recount text. Ya. Recount text is text that retells story about past events or experience in the order they happened. Ya. Recount text ini, ya, recount text, teks yang menceritakan cerita sebuah kisah tentang pengalaman seseorang di masa lalu, ya, pengalaman yang terjadi atau yang dialami oleh seseorang di masa lalu. And its purpose is to inform or retell past event to the audience. Ya. Tujuannya dari recount text ini untuk inform atau menceritakan, menginformasikan kepada audiens, kepada masyarakat tentang event, ya, kegiatan ataupun pengalaman yang sudah terjadi. Ya. And next, generic structure of recount text. Ya. Struktur kebahasaan dari recount text. The first is orientation. Ya. Orientation tells who is involved in the story. Ya. When, where, and why the story happened. Jadi generic structure dari teks tadi di awal itu menceritakan kapan, di mana, dan kenapa pengalaman itu terjadi. Ya. Kisah itu terjadi. And the second is events. Events tells what happened in the story. Di bagian events itu menceritakan inti dari cerita tersebut. Oke. Ya. Ya. Now we want to analyze. Ya, kita mau menganalisis struktur kebahasaan dari teks tersebut. The first is orientation. Ya. Orientation itu ada pada paragraf pertama. 3 days ago, I went to Mount Sibayak with my friends. Ya, ini menceritakan tentang apa, kenapa, dan bagaimana, ya, dari pengalaman tersebut. And then events. Ya, events. Pada bagian events, tell what happened in the story. Ya, menceritakan apa saja yang terjadi pada cerita tersebut. Ya. Tadi ada mulai mendaki jam 4, kemudian perjalanan yang cukup panjang, dan sampai di sana bertemu dengan teman-teman. Ya, itu pada bagian events. Kemudian bagian yang ketiga yaitu reorientation. Ya. Ini merupakan conclusion, ya. Conclusion of the story. Kesimpulan dari cerita tersebut. Okay, now we will tell about language feature of recount text. Nah, kalau tadi ada generic structure, sekarang language feature-nya. Ya, unsur-unsur kebahasaan. Ya. Unsur-unsur kebahasaan dari recount text. The first is introducing personal participant. Ya. Orang yang terlibat pada cerita tersebut, ya. Pada cerita tadi, climb the mountain, itu siapa partisipannya? Kemudian, using chronological connection, menggunakan kata penghubung, and use linking verb. Ya, linking verb ini kata bantu yang menyertai subjek. Kemudian using action verb, kata kerja yang menunjukkan activity atau action, pekerjaan. And then using simple past tense. Because of the text is tell about the past time, so we have to use past tense. Ya. Karena ceritanya ini pengalaman di masa lalu, jadi unsur kebahasaan yang kita gunakan itu harus menggunakan simple past tense. Okay, now analyzing language feature of the text. Ya. Kita akan menganalisis unsur-unsur kebahasaan dari teks tersebut. Ya. Yang pertama ada personal participants. I use red color. And then connection for red, past tense for yellow, and linking verb for blue color. Okay, you can look at the screen. Ya. Personal participant itu pada warna merah ada I, and then my friends. Okay. Yeah. Can you see the text? Yeah. And then connection is for green at that time, and then finally, yeah, apparently, yeah. And then past tense is use the second verb, menggunakan kata kerja bentuk kedua, ada when, ya, climbed, began, and then started, followed, arrived, cook, and sang. Yeah. And then linking verb, there is wash, and were. Yeah. That's analyzing language feature of the text. Okay, and then you can look at your LKPD, ya, your worksheet. Sekarang kalian bisa lihat task 1 dari LKPD. Read the text carefully. Ya, it's about holiday at Parangtritis Beach. Ya, liburan di pantai Parangtritis. And after reading the text, you will answer the questions.
What does the text tell about? The text tell about holiday at Parangtritis Beach.
Ya, okay. What does the text tell about? Teks di atas menceritakan tentang apa? Holiday at Parangtritis Beach. Okay, good. And then number 2. Number 2, please. Yeah, okay, soft 1.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Ya, nomor 2, silakan.
What is the general statement of the text? The general statement of the text is the reader and friend went to Parangtritis to enjoy their holiday.
Okay, yeah. What is the general statement? Ya, pernyataan general secara umum dari teks tersebut. Ya, it's the writer and friends went to Parang Tritis to enjoy their holiday. Okay, good. Thanks. Number 3. Yeah, want to try?
Yeah, Miss.
Yeah, okay, please.
What is the space statement of the text? They started going there in the morning after arrive.
And now we will start for discussion. You can look at task 2. Yeah. Based on the text above, analyze the social function, generic structure, and language feature. Ya, berdasarkan teks di atas, ya, holiday at Parangtritis Beach. Ya, Ibu minta you analyze the social function, ya, analysis, social function, generic structure, and language feature of the text. Yeah, and you will put in this table. Yeah. And okay, pardon. In doing this task 2, you can do it by your friends in groups, and I will divide you for 2 groups. The first group is Tandio and Hanif, Revan, and Shauki. For the first group. And then the second group is Saki, Naufal, Sofwan, and Andini. Your duty, analyze the element of text like social function, generic structure, and language feature. And after that, present to your friends. Okay? Are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, good. Yes, I give you 10 minutes. Ya, Ibu kasih waktu 10 minutes. It's enough for you? Ya, silakan kerjakan sekarang. And you can on your group, and you present by using your WA group. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, silakan dikerjakan. sih? Di share screen di grup. Okay. How about your discussion? Diskusinya sampai mana? Ada yang sudah siap?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, from the first group, who want to present? The first group?
I am Miss.
Okay, and you, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, and I hope you can share screen. Share your screen, please. Ya, and on your camera. Videonya atau kameranya tolong diaktifkan.
Bentar, Bu, bentar.
Ya, oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Tandio from the first group. I want to share our discussion about holiday at Parang Tritis. Number 1, the social function is to tell about the writer experience in the past. Number 2, generic structure. The orientation is it was Sunday in the last December 2016. We all had finished our project and that was the time to celebrate. We went to Parang Tritis Beach. We were 6 and we got there driving a car. We rent a car for a day. The event. We started at early in the morning to go there. We only needed 5 minutes because the traffic was not too crowded. We brought some flowers to be sung in at the sea. Soon after we arrived at the beach, we took our flowers and broke them at the bank of the beach. We prayed deeply and put the flowers into the water. Suddenly we saw them slowly going to the middle of the sea and disappeared. The reorientation it was a celebration for our successful project and also the celebration of our friend who was the leader of our team for that project. Number 3, language feature. The personal participant is we. Connection, tone, linking verb, was where patience finished when started got broke and saw. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you. Tandio from the first group.
Good morning, friend. My name, I am from the second group. I want to share our discussion. Element of text. Number 1, social function. To tell about the writer experience in the past. Number 2, generic structure. Number 1, orientation. I was Sunday in the last December 2016. We all had finished our project and that was the time to celebrate. We went to Parangtritis Beach. We were sick and we got driving a car. We rent a car for a day. Number 2, events. We started at early in the morning to go train. We only needed 45 minutes because the traffic was not too crowded. We brought some flowers to be sung at the sea. Soon after we arrived at the beach, we took our flowers and brought those at the bank of the beach. We prayed deeply and put the flowers into the water. Suddenly we saw them slowly going to the middle of the sea and disappeared. Number 3, language feature. Number 1, personal participants. Number 2, connecting sound. Number 3, linking verb was where. Number 4, past tense, finished, when, started, got, broke, saw. Oke, terima kasih.
Okay, thank you for the second group.
A few months ago, my friends and I went to Patulungan or Kuningan. When we got there, we started setting up tents in the camping area. The air there is so fresh and we bathed in the waterfall or Curug Putri. After bathing, we felt hungry and then we could get food for lunch together. At night, we make a bonfire to warm our selfish while singing. After that, we sleep. The second day, we fish near the waterfall, but we always get back. Finally, we decided to clean it up and get ready to go home. Before going home, we took a photo as a memory. Terima kasih.
Okay, finish. Thank you. Okay,
Yes.
everybody. What material we have learned today?
What?
Material we have learned today. Materi yang sudah kita bahas hari ini.
Recount.
Pengalaman seorang.
Yeah.
Recount text. Text
Yeah.
recount.
Okay, yeah, that's good. The context atau pengalaman pribadi seorang. And then, do you like our material today?
Sure, I like it.
Okay, good, thank you. And what material do you like from our meeting today? Yes, what material do you like?
Now, yeah, we can now the people experience.
Yes, that's very good. By reading the text, by hearing about someone experience, someone's story, so we can understand, we know about someone experience. Okay, that's very good. And hopefully what we have learned today is useful for us and you can understood about our meeting today. And thank you very much for joining our meeting today. See you next time. But before closing our meeting today, please, Zaki, lead your friends for praying. Mikrofonnya dinyalakan dulu.
Yes, Miss. Attention, please. Let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you class for your participation. And before leaving the meeting, please on your camera. Ibu ambil gambarnya dulu sebentar. Kameranya di-on-kan dulu. And keep smiling. Jangan lupa tersenyum. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you very much and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.